Hi students, today in this video you will see that is how the formulas are coming, that is the sum of all interior angles, sum of all exterior angles, each interior angle and each exterior angle. Now I have just taken 4 cases over here. Suppose this is a quadrilateral, this is a pentagon, this is a hexagon, this is n number of sides are there. Let. Now if I am just taking or drawing one diagonal over here, see this ABCD quadrilateral is just divided into two triangle. We know that is the sum of this sum of the interior angles of a triangles is 180 degree. So there are two triangles over here. The total angle will be 2 into 180. Here this is the 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 triangles. So it is actually the total angle will be interior angle will be sum of the total interior angle will be 3 into 180. In this way 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is actually 4 into 180. And we can also just take this type of thing also in so many a polygon whose actually number of sides may be more than 4, this up to n. Now see, we can arrange this one. There are 4 sides. 4 sides minus 2. And here 5 sides minus 2, it is coming 3. Here 6 sides minus 2 into 180. So if we are just going to get one formula like this, that is number of side minus 2 into 180 degree, it is actually coming the general solution of any kind of polygon, any number of sides of a polygon. Suppose I am just taking one polygon whose number of sides is n. I do not know what will be the number of sides, maybe. So here this will be, see, number of sides is n minus 2 into 180. So if we are just now splitting this 180 into 2 into 90 and 2 is multiplied with this number n into 2, n minus 2, then it is coming 2n minus 4 into 90 degrees are right angle. So this is actually the formula. Sum of all interior angles will be 2n minus 4 into right angle or 90 degree. Now the sum of the exterior angle, how we are just going to get? Exterior angle means any angles which is actually, this is, suppose this is interior angle, exterior will be, it will be extended and just the adjacent angles will be exterior angle, like this and this. These are exterior angle. So exterior angle plus interior angle equal to 180. Suppose number of sides is n, so then interior and exterior angle will be 180 into n. So 180 into n, the total, that is what are the angles are there, and from it total angle you are just deducting total sum of all interior angle, then you will get the sum of all exterior angle, because total angle measures minus the sum of the interior angle, it will be the total exterior, sum of total exterior angle. Now see here, I am just calculating this one, 180 into n, 180 into n, this is minus and minus into minus, this is plus, so it is coming 360 degree. That is sum of all exterior angles of a polygon having sides n. So this it will be 360 degree. So as because this is a regular polygon, all angles will be also equal. So each exterior angle will be, it will be n times divide, that is 360 degree divided by n, and this is the formula for each exterior angle. Now each exterior angle we know that is 180 minus exterior angle, it is actually coming the interior angle. So each interior angle will be 180 minus exterior angle, that is 180 minus each exterior angle. So you can also measure like this. And I am just giving you some problems. This is example number 1. Suppose I am just going to just give you one problem like this. Find the measure of each exterior angle of an octagon. You know octagon is number of sides of the polygon will be 8. That is n equal to 8. So here solution is n equal to 8. Each exterior angle will be 360 by 8. This is very simple way we can just find out each exterior angle. If we want to also just get the each interior angle also, so interior angle will be 180 minus exterior angle, each exterior angle, it will be 135. Now I am just going to next. I am just taking another example. Now example number 2. Find the number of sides of a polygon whose each exterior angle is measure C36. In the previous example I have shown, if the number of sides are given, then what will be the exterior angle? It is just reverse. That is, exterior angle is given, what will be the number of sides? Let the number of sides of a polygon be n. So we know each exterior angle equal to 360 by n. Then n equal to 360 by each exterior angle. So here n equal to is the number of sides, that is 360 by 36 equal to number of sides are 10. Now another type of problem over here I am just giving. Find the number of sides of the polygon whose each interior angle is given now. See, let the number of sides be n. The each interior angle is 108 degree. In each exterior angle will be 180 minus 108. So it is very simple way to just find out 72, and it is very easy to find out with the help of each exterior angle, because 360 by the number of exterior angle, each exterior angle will be the number of sides. So here 360 by 72 degree, it will be 5. That is, it is a pentagon. That is, the number of sides will be 5. Now I am just giving you another problem just to find the diagonals of a polygon whose number of sides is 7. This is a heptagon. Heptagon number of sides will be 7. So heptagon is like this. You just take like this over here. Number of sides are 7. So here this. These are the diagonals. You can also just draw like this, and so many other ways also. Now we know that is the diagonal formula of the diagonal is n into n minus 3. N here, n is actually the number of sides. Put the value over here, n. 7 into 7 minus 3 by 2. This is 7 into 4. This is cut it off 2. This is 14. The number of diagonals will be 14. In this way, you can find out any number of the diagonals of any number of sides of a polygon. Maybe the angles, if it is given, interior angle it is given, exterior angle if it is given, then you are able to find out the number of sides, or maybe the number of angles, maybe the number of the measurements of the angles, exterior or interior, and also the number of diagonals. I do believe if you are just going through this whole video, you will be able to solve all sort of problems, including these polygons. Thank you very much.